Hello back. Welcome to English Aneus. Today, we're gonna practice English phrases. Lesson 6. Let's get started. Hello.
Sally,
Hello.
Sally,
Hello.
Sally,
Good morning.
bonjour,
Good morning.
bonjour,
Good morning.
bonjour,
Yes.
oui,
Yes.
oui,
Yes.
oui,
No.
non,
No.
non,
No.
non,
Thank you.
merci,
Thank you.
merci,
Thank you.
merci,
Thank you very much.
merci en pile,
Thank you very much.
merci en pile,
Thank you very much.
merci en pile,
You're welcome.
de rien,
You're welcome.
de rien,
You're welcome.
de rien,
Girl.
fille,
Girl.
fille,
Girl.
fille,
Boy.
garçon,
Boy.
garçon,
Boy.
garçon,
Please.
s'il vous plaît,
Please.
s'il vous plaît,
Please.
s'il vous plaît,
Woman.
femme,
Woman.
femme,
Woman.
femme,
Man.
garçon,
Man.
garçon,
Man.
garçon,
Love.
l'amour,
Love.
l'amour,
Love.
l'amour,
Excuse me.
excusez-moi,
Excuse me.
excusez-moi,
Excuse me.
excusez-moi,
Good night.
bonne nuit,
Good night.
bonne nuit,
Good night.
bonne nuit,
You are right.
ou bien raison,
You are right.
ou bien raison,
You are right.
ou bien raison,
Good evening.
bonsoir,
Good evening.
bonsoir,
Good evening.
bonsoir,
I am a handsome man.
moi c'est un bel garçon,
I am a handsome man.
moi c'est un bel garçon,
I am a handsome man.
moi c'est un bel garçon,
She is a beautiful woman.
Li se yon belle femme.
She is a beautiful woman.
Li se yon bel femme.
She is a beautiful woman.
Li se yon bel femme.
The world is in war.
Monde la nan la guerre.
The world is in war.
Monde la nan la guerre.
The world is in war.
Monde la nan la guerre.
World.
Monde.
World.
Monde.
World.
Monde.
The world should be in peace.
Monde la dwe gen la paix.
The world should be in peace.
Monde la dwe gen la paix.
The world should be in peace.
Monde la dwe gen la paix.
Time.
Temps.
Time.
Temps.
Time.
Temps.
Day.
Jour.
Day.
Jour.
Day.
Jour.
Mr.
Messieurs.
Mr.
Messieurs.
Mr.
Messieurs.
Reason.
Raison.
Reason.
Raison.
Reason.
Raison.
Miss.
Mademoiselle.
Miss.
Mademoiselle.
Miss.
Mademoiselle.
Mrs.
Madame.
Mrs.
Madame.
Mrs.
Madame.
He is strong.
Monsieur gen force.
He is strong.
Monsieur gen force.
He is strong.
Monsieur gen force.
He doesn't like cat.
Li pa reme chat.
He doesn't like cat.
Li pa reme chat.
He doesn't like cat.
Li pa reme chat.
I love you.
Mwen reme yon.
I love you.
Mwen reme yon.
I love you.
Mwen reme yon.
How much is this?
Combien sa van?
How much is this?
Combien sa van?
How much is this?
Combien sa van?
Can you help me?
Eske ou ka edem?
Can you help me?
Eske ou ka edem?
Can you help me?
Eske ou ka edem?
What time is it?
Ki le liye la?
What time is it?
Ki le liye la?
What time is it?
Ki le liye la?
How are you doing?
Koman ou ye?
How are you doing?
Koman ou ye?
How are you doing?
Koman ou ye?
Do you speak English?
Eske ou pale anglais?
Do you speak English?
Eske ou pale anglais?
Do you speak English?
Eske ou pale anglais?
My name is Daniel.
Mwen rele Daniot.
My name is Daniel.
Mwen rele Daniot.
My name is Daniel.
Mwen rele Daniot.
Do you speak Creole?
Eske ou pale Creole?
Do you speak Creole?
Eske ou pale Creole?
Do you speak Creole?
Eske ou pale Creole?
I'm sorry.
Mwen regrette.
I'm sorry.
Mwen regrette.
I'm sorry.
Mwen regrette.
Life is like that.
La vie c'est comme ça.
Life is like that.
La vie c'est comme ça.
Life is like that.
La vie c'est comme ça.
Pleased to meet you.
Mwen content rencontrer ou.
Pleased to meet you.
Mwen content rencontrer ou.
Pleased to meet you.
Mwen content rencontrer ou.
May you introduce yourself?
Est-ce que ou ka présenter tête ou?
May you introduce yourself?
Est-ce que ou ka présenter tête ou?
May you introduce yourself?
Est-ce que ou ka présenter tête ou?
May I introduce my boss to you?
Est-ce que m ka présenter au boss mwen?
May I introduce my boss to you?
Est-ce que m ka présenter au boss mwen?
May I introduce my boss to you?
Est-ce que m ka présenter au boss mwen?
Please come in.
S'il vous plaît, rentrez.
Please come in.
S'il vous plaît, rentrez.
Please come in.
S'il vous plaît, rentrez.
Please be seated.
S'il vous plaît, chita.
Please be seated.
S'il vous plaît, chita.
Please be seated.
S'il vous plaît, chita.
Would you like some coffee?
Est-ce que wap boy un ti café?
Would you like some tea?
Est-ce que wap boy un ti thé?
Would you like some soda?
Est-ce que wap boy un ti soda?
Thank you for your invitation.
Merci pour invitation.
Thank you for your invitation.
Merci pour invitation.
Thank you for your invitation.
Merci pour invitation.
Have a safe trip.
Bon voyage.
Have a safe trip.
Bon voyage.
Have a safe trip.
Bon voyage.
Congratulations.
Félicitations.
Congratulations.
Félicitations.
Congratulations.
Félicitations.
Goodbye.
Au revoir.
Goodbye.
Au revoir.
Goodbye.
Au revoir.
Great job. Thank you for watching the video. If you learned something new, please like, comment, and share to all of your friends. Bye for now.